Does your credit score really go down if you check it too often? A report at StudyFinds suggests it does, but only if it's sinking already. So basically, if the ship's going down, you probably shouldn't take on more passengers. Researchers found, however, for people with healthy credit scores, checking on their finances can help send that score even higher. The team examined a financial tracking website that allows consumers to see their credit report for free each month. That study revealed 38% of users never return after getting their first credit report, especially if it's bad. Jessica Fong with the University of Michigan said, quote, on average, users who had declining credit scores prior to checking their credit report experienced a 23-point decrease in credit score after viewing their updated report, whereas users who had non-declining credit scores experienced a 9-point increase in their credit score after viewing their updated report. Authors note that it was interesting that avoiding bad information was helpful to some users in increasing that score. Find more on this and other studies at StudyFinds.com.